అతడి లైఫ్ అందరిలాంటిది కాదు, అదొక కంప్లీట్ డిఫరెంట్ జర్నీ. ఎందుకంటే అతను యంగ్ ఏజ్లో ఉన్నంత వరకు దేశం కోసం పనిచేశారు. ఇప్పుడు అతనికి 48 ఇయర్స్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అతనికంటూ ఒక కొత్త ప్యాషన్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుని ఒక కొత్త ఫీల్డ్లోకి ధైర్యంగా ఎంటర్ అయ్యారు. లక్ ఫేవర్స్ ది బ్రేవ్ అంటారు కదా, అందుకేనేమో స్టార్టింగే ఒక బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ కాంబోలో ఛాన్స్ కొట్టేశారు. నేను ఎవరి గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను మీకు అర్థమయ్యే ఉంటుంది. ఎస్, అఖండ మూవీలో విలన్ నితిన్ మెహతా గురించి నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. హాయ్ సార్.
హలో దర్శన్.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్. హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
యా, ఐఎమ్ గుడ్ అండి. మిమ్మల్ని నితిన్ మెహతా అని పిలవాలా లేకపోతే గజేంద్ర సాహు అని పిలవాలా?
You can call me Nitin Mehta because Gajendra Sahu is only for Akhanda.
బట్ మీకు చాలా ఐడెంటిటీ వచ్చింది ఆ నేమ్తో, ఒక్క మూవీతో వచ్చింది మీకు అంత ఐడెంటిటీ.
Yes, people have liked my work and I am blessed that my first movie was with the legend himself, Balakrishna sir, and directed by Boyapati sir. So yes, I know now this Gajendra Sahu, this name will always be remaining with me. People will identify with this name.
తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా?
Telugu I am not able to understand, very less, but with emotions and some English in the words what people speak, I am able to gather about 50-60%.
Okay, నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు ఇప్పుడు. ఆర్ యూ లెర్నింగ్ తెలుగు?
Now I have planned. Definitely I have to learn because it will be much easier to meet the people here who have shown me so much of love. So it is now my duty to learn their language because they have welcomed me in their industry with open arms and their hearts. So now it is my duty. I should know their language and be close to them.
మూవీలో మీకు వాయిస్ ఎవరు ఇచ్చారండి? డబ్బింగ్ ఎవరు చెప్పారు మీకు?
Voice, I have not given my voice because of the problem in the language. I'm not fluent because a lot of rolling of tongue is there in Telugu, which I'm not familiar because my mother tongue is Hindi. Raju sir has given that voice, and that voice has been, I think, amazing voice that has given more power to this character.
బోయపాటి అండ్ బాలయ్య కాంబినేషన్ అంటే ఒక బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ కాంబో. మీరు కెరియర్ స్టార్టింగ్లోనే ఒక పెద్ద ప్రాజెక్ట్, నిజంగా గోల్డెన్ ఛాన్స్ ఇది మీకు. మీరు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు దీని గురించి?
I'm very happy to get this chance. I think I'm blessed to get this chance. I was called here suddenly for this movie. I did not know what movie is there that time. So when I met Boyapati sir first time, I was told that Boyapati sir is making a movie, and then I searched and I found that Legend and Sima were the greatest hits with Balakrishna sir. So but I did not know Balakrishna sir is in this movie. So I came to know here, and then I was amazed that this opportunity has come to me. God has gifted me this. I have to work hard now. So I'm very happy that starting off my journey in Telugu industry, such a big project had come to me. I'm very blessed.
హౌ డిడ్ యూ గెట్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ అండి? మీకు ఎలా వచ్చింది ఈ ఆఫర్? ఎవరు కాల్ చేశారు మీకు?
When I asked them, how did you find me? My pictures were floating on the Instagram. So they saw my pictures on Instagram for my modeling days when I was modeling. So they found 3-4 pictures where my look was very hard look and very cunning look type. So those looks fascinated Boyapati sir. And then they tried to find out my whereabouts, where I am, who I am, and then finally they could trace me and they got hold of me.
సో మ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ మాసెస్ బాలకృష్ణ గారితో మీ వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Oh, Balakrishna sir, he is a legend himself. What should I say? Whatever I say, it is very less. Very nice person, very humble person, very knowledgeable, I would say. First day I was very nervous because such a huge figure in front of me, and me acting in my first movie, Telugu movie, every odds against me. First movie, Telugu, language also problem, and Balakrishna sir. But he made me so comfortable, never let me, always, I never felt that I was working in my first film with him. He made it so comfortable that there was no tension, no pressures on the set. Oh, amazing personality, and his energy is so much of energy that radiates, and I think it comes to us also in co-actors, and we are able to perform with him.
ఆఫ్ ద కెమెరా ఎలా ఉండేవారు బాలకృష్ణ? ఆఫ్ ద
కెమెరా he is a very nice person. If he is with kids, he will be like them. If he is with us, he'll be like us. He'll be joking, he'll be telling us mythological things. He is abundance of knowledge, and very humble to talk. Always whenever he see, acha, your shot is finished, come, sit down. We'll have something, some coffee or something will be there with him, and we'll have some chat, listen to music. Nice time, very nice time we had.
ఓకే బోయపాటి గారు మీకు సీన్ ఎలా నెరేట్ చేసేవారు, ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో నెరేట్ చేసేవారు?
Boyapati sir, I am not able to understand Telugu, but when Boyapati sir stands in front of me and explains, because his emotions and he's so passionate about his work, 50% you come to know what he's wanting. But then English, Hindi mix karke, he used to tell me what is supposed to be done, and because his emotion used to flow out of the scene, so it became easier for me to understand his requirement. So it was great. He is, I don't know what to say, he's so much of passion, so much of energy he's got. From morning to evening he'll be running around, and he'll not be sitting, doing everything, explaining the scenes, and he'll make sure that before the take is there, I understand each and every part of the dialogue and of the situation. So that way he has put in so much of work in me, so much of hard work in me. It is actually his work which has come out through me.
ఓకే మూవీలో మేజర్ రోల్ ప్లే చేసింది యాక్షన్ సీన్స్. సో మనం ఫైట్ మాస్టర్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకోవాలి, శివ గారు. ఆయనతో మీ వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Stunt Shiva and his two sons, amazing. So many stunts, so many fight scenes. I've seen them when we used to reach the sets in the morning. Everything was ready, so I don't know when did they sleep. They used to plan things, they used to place the things around the cranes, the ropes and all. Safety precautions were taken that nobody is hurt. And their action scenes, you've seen, everybody's seen it, how they have come up now. Amazing work. I would say that so dedicated, all three of them, that they will try to make the person who's doing the stunt so comfortable, so easy for them, that you don't, like this being my first movie, I did all my stunts, and they helped me in everything. They made sure that everything was such safe, and it was executed so nicely that I was amazed when it came on the screen, big screen. I was amazed, wow, what has come out now.
మీరు ఒక ఎక్స్ ఆర్మీ ఆఫీసర్, మీరేమైనా సజెస్ట్ చేశారా ఫైట్ సీన్స్లో?
No, it is not my suggestion, because army is totally different and movies are totally different. Their fight is not like this, but here the fight is absolutely different.
తెలుగులో మీది ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ కదండి ఇది. సో ఎలా ఉంది తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, ఎలా ఉంది మీకు వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Well, Telugu industry is very, very disciplined. Like army only, I believe. Everything is set. All timings are so set. People are so hardworking when they are on the set. Everybody knows their job to the best of their knowledge, and they perform to it. That was amazing, because we had so much of because of this lockdown. So much of pressure was there to finish off it fast, because when we used to get open window, we used to come there and work for 12 hours, 15 hours also. And amazing, everybody on the set, nothing. We finishing pack up at 9-10, again morning 6 o'clock, everybody, and with same energy. Hats off to everyone. Complete unit is hats off to them.
సౌత్ ఫిల్మ్స్ ఏమైనా చూసారా?
South films I have seen before also, because maximum Telugu movies are Hindi dubbed. So I used to sit down in front of the TV and keep on scrolling the channels without knowing the name of the movie. Wherever some good action is coming, hold on there and look for some time. Half an hour, action finished, change the channel, next action. So I don't remember the names of the movies, but yeah, I used to see Allu Arjun's action, Mahesh Babu, Nagarjun sir, Balakrishna sir, Pawan Kalyan sir. Latest Pawan Kalyan sir movie I saw Vakil Saab, that I saw. Chiranjeevi sir, he's been working in Hindi movies also. Okay. So I've seen them also. So lot of action movies I used to watch. So it was, I think that made me do action also easier, I believe. Seeing action, I like action. So, and Telugu movies are known for good action.
ఓకే, మీ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో ఎవరు సౌత్లో?
Favorite hero to Balakrishna sir. No doubt about it. His aura, his personality, and on screen, oh.
ఓకే మీరు బాలకృష్ణ సార్ ఫ్యాన్ అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి బాలకృష్ణ సార్ ఫ్యాన్స్కి ఒక యాంతం ఉంది, ఒక స్లోగన్ ఉంది. అదేంటో మీరు
జయవాలయ.
చెప్పండి ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ గట్టిగా, ఒకసారి గట్టిగా లౌడ్లీ
Jai Balaya. Jai Balaya.
జై బాలయ్య.
Jai Balaya. Because I saw this movie in Delhi. First day, first show. There was a small hall which had 90 people in that, 90 seater, and about 70-75 people were. So there also people started Jai Balaya, Jai Balaya. And there I met about 5-6 people. They were not Telugu speaking people, but they were fans of Balakrishna sir, and they wanted to watch this movie first day, first show. They had come.
ఎనీ అప్కమింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏమన్నా వచ్చినాయా?
2-3 projects talks are going on for that. Let's see what happens, and soon you will come to know about that.
సో మీరు ఆర్మీలో 21 years వర్క్ చేశారు, లెఫ్టినెంట్ కర్నల్ కింద.
Yes.
సో మీకు ఒక నెక్ ఇంజ్యూరీ ఏదో అయ్యింది, సో మీరు వాలంటరీ రిటైర్మెంట్ తీసుకున్నారు అని విన్నాను. ఏమైంది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, అది ఏంటి అసలు చెప్పండి.
I had a accident during my army, when I was in army. So because of that, I had some physical problems. My left hand was becoming weak and all. So I had a lot of restrictions in army with that. I cannot be posted to high altitude areas where it's extremely cold conditions and all. So I thought that I should come out and do something else, because I have served enough. It was 21 years, is a long time. Then I took a voluntary retirement, that is known as premature retirement in army. So I took that and then came out that I should try it out, doing something else outside.
ఓకే, ఇండియన్ ఆర్మీలో మీరు ఏ ప్లేసెస్లో వర్క్ చేశారు, ఏ మేజర్ రోల్స్ ప్లే చేశారు? వర్క్
Army, I am actually BTech mechanical. Then I was specialized in maintenance of tanks, battle tanks. Then I've done specialization in helicopters, military helicopters. So I was looking after the military helicopters of Indian Army. So that was my role. So I have been to Kashmir Valley, I have been Northeast, and I've been across all in India. In fact, I have spent 4 years of my life in army, because I was born and brought up in army family only. So complete India I've been there, and experience wise, so different challenges every day, great job. I'm satisfied, I'm blessed that I could serve in the Indian Army. And yes, I still remember those army days. I don't miss them, because whatever has finished in life, it is finished. This is a new chapter. But yes, I cherish those memories.
మీరు ఇందాక ఒక మాట అన్నారు నాతో, వన్స్ ఏ సోల్జర్ ఆల్వేస్
a soldier. Yeah, it does not go outside of you.
అసలు మీకు ఈ ప్రొఫెషన్లోకి రావాలని మీకు ఎలా థాట్ వచ్చింది? రోల్ మోడల్, ఒక ప్రొఫెషనల్ మోడల్ అవ్వాలని, యాక్టర్ అవ్వాలని మీకు ఎలా thought వచ్చింది?
After I left army, I was planning to do my own motorcycle company, hiring of motorcycles and going Leh, Ladakh and all this stuff. But suddenly somebody spotted me at the airport and told me that you look so good, and put a spark in me that something can be done. So I tried, let me try, and then it started clicking. I got good brands. I worked with Beardo, I worked with Tanishq, that was with Deepika Padukone. I worked with Amitabh Bachchan in Kalyan Jewellers. So good projects were coming, so I started enjoying it. I worked in Lakme Fashion Week in Mumbai. Then TV commercials started coming slowly. Then small roles started coming in Tamil movies, Hindi movies, 2 days, 3 days shoot. So I started liking this work, and then finally Akhanda happened.
ఓకే, మీ ఫ్యామిలీ ఎప్పుడు అపోజ్ చేయలేదా నేను ప్రొఫెషనల్ మోడల్ అవుతా, యాక్టర్ అవుతా అంటే ఎప్పుడు అపోజ్ చేయలేదా?
No, it is not that. It is not only my father was a bit hesitant when I left army and started modeling, because I was 44 years that time, 2016. But now he is very happy. He went with me for my first day, first show, seeing me on the big screen, my movie in Delhi. So it doesn't matter now. I am happy. So he says, if you are happy, then it's okay.
ఏ సౌత్ యాక్టర్స్తో మీరు యాక్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
I would like to act with everyone, because everybody is a good actor. You cannot say he is not a good actor. Everybody is a good actor, because if they are being accepted by the public, they are doing movies, that means Everybody is a good actor. So I would love to work with everyone. I would, in fact, 2 days, 3 days, somebody was asking me, okay, how many days would you like to work in a year? And I would like to work 365 days. That is the best option. If somebody gives me work, I will work 365 days. And I'm open to any kind of work with anyone. Any good work with anyone is always welcome.
వాట్ అబౌట్ యాక్టింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది? టఫ్గా ఉందా, ఈజీగా ఉందా ఏంటి? కొత్త కదా మీరు, యు ఆర్ న్యూ టు దిస్ ఫీల్డ్, ఎలా ఉంది మీకు అసలు?
Acting was very tough before, but Boyapatti sir and Balakrishna sir has made me, they put me in my head so much that it is becoming a step easier now. It has become a step easier now. I remember when I was modeling and just got into TV commercials, that time it was very difficult for me to act in front of camera. Very easy to give still photographs, but doing audition, very, very tough. Because I have given about 600, 700 auditions for different ads, movies and all. So after that only slowly that fear went off for the moving camera, and with Boyapatti sir and Balakrishna sir support, helping me at every step in the movie, I think I'm a little bit better than what I was.
సో ఈ ఏజ్లో ఇంత ఫిట్ అండ్ హ్యాండ్సమ్గా ఉన్నారు, ఆ సీక్రెట్ ఏంటో మాకు చెప్పాలి మీరు.
Fitness is just, you have to love your body, you have to love yourself. Everything will happen then. That's this thing. If you love yourself, you'll take care of yourself. That should be your first love. And this is the thing which is going to be with you all your life. Everybody will leave you, but this body is going to be with you all your life. So take care of it. That's my take.
సో ఒక బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ మూవీలో ఛాన్స్ కొట్టారు. సో మీ కెరియర్ కూడా ఇలాగే బ్లాక్ బస్టర్గా ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి.
Thank you so much, Darshan. Thank you.
సో విన్నారు కదా సచ్ అన్ ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ క్యారెక్టర్ నితిన్ మెహతా గారి మాటలు. ప్యాషన్ అండ్ డెడికేషన్ ఉండాలే కానీ ఏజ్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్ అని ఆయనను చూస్తేనే మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఆయనకి ఇంకా ఎలాంటి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఎన్నో రావాలని, ఆయన ఎన్నెన్నో సినిమాలు చేయాలని కోరుకుందాం. దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫర్ నౌ. దిస్ ఈస్ దర్శన్ సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్.